Hello everyone. Now let's start the chapter number 7, sampling distribution. Here I have mentioned both the beginning formula for the Z. Exercise number 7.2, page number 243, sum number 7.13. A population has a mean of 50 and standard deviation of 10. If the random sample of 64 is taken, what is the probability that sample mean in each of the following cases? Right, you have to find the values for the probabilities. Mu is given, standard deviation is given, and small n value is also given. Mu equals to 50, standard deviation equals to 10, n equals to 64. First case, they have mentioned greater than 52. How to find the probability for greater than 52? So P of x bar, your average, is greater than 52, right? Again we will apply the formula Z equals to x bar minus mu. Here capital N is not given, so we will use this formula, x bar minus mu upon standard deviation upon root n. Your x bar is 52 minus mu is 50, standard deviation is 10 and small n is 64. So the value will be 1.64. So again we will use the table A.5, which is your normal distribution table. We have to find the value for the 1.6, right? So probability is 1.6, 0.4452. So now I am drawing out the curve for the normal distribution, right? Here is your mu, that is 50. Your x is 52, right? They are asking about this area, but તમને ખ્યાલ જ છે ટેબલ તમને કઈ વેલ્યુ આપશે, મ્યુથી લઈને એક્સ સુધીની. સો 0.4452 એ આટલા એરિયાની વેલ્યુ છે, રાઈટ? તમારે આ વેલ્યુ જોઈએ છે. સો પી ઓફ એક્સ બાર ગ્રેટર દેન 52 ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ 0.5 માંથી આટલો એરિયા ડિડક્ટ કરી નાખે, 0.4452. સો રિમેનિંગ એરિયા વિલ બી અવર આન્સર, that is 0.0548. Then second case, less than 51. So P of x bar less than 51. So Z equals to x bar minus mu upon standard deviation root n, right? X bar 51 minus your mu is 50, standard deviation is 10 and 64. So you will get the answer 0.80. If you will check it out from the table, so value will be 0.2881. 0.80 ની વેલ્યુ ટેબલમાં ચેક કરશો તો એ કેટલી મળશે? 0.2881. Now this is our chart. Mu equals to 50, તમારો x છે 51. they are asking about the less than value, right? તમને ટેબલે જે વેલ્યુ આપી એ આટલા એરિયાની વેલ્યુ હશે, તમારા ટોટલ એરિયા જોઈએ છે. સો 0.5 પ્લસ 0.2881, સો આન્સર વિલ બી 0.7881. then third C, P of x bar less than 47. Again same process, Z equals to x bar minus mu upon standard deviation root n. 47 minus 50 divide with 10 upon 64, right? So you will get the answer minus 2.40. table value check करशो then 0.4918. then again normal distribution curve draw કરું છું. your mu equals to 50, x is 47, તમારે એના કરતાં લેસ એરિયા જોઈએ છે. સો 0.5 minus 0.4918. so your answer will be 0.0082. then next, P of 48.5 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 52.4. Z1 x1 bar minus mu upon standard deviation root n. Z2 x2 bar minus mu upon standard deviation root n. 48.5 minus 50 divided with 10 root 64. Then 52.4 minus 50 upon 10 root 64. Right, you will solve out this, then you will get the value of minus 1.20 and here 1.92. so minus 1.20 stable value is 0.3849. 1.90 ની ટેબલમાં ચેક કરવા જશો વેલ્યુ એટલે 0.4726. right, now time to decide the range. mu is 50. એક x છે એ 50 કરતાં લેસ છે અને સેકન્ડ મોર છે, તો એક લેફ્ટ સાઈડ હશે એક રાઈટ સાઈડ હશે. right, and you want the in between area, so you have to club the both the values 3849 plus 4726. so the answer will be 0.8575. then next E, P of 50.6 less than or equals to x bar 51.3. so Z1 again you will apply the same formula, right, and Z2, so you will get the answer 0.48 and 1.04. if you will check it out the value for the 0.48 it will be 0.1844. if you are checking out the value for 1.04 from the table, the value will be 0.3508. right, now both the values are greater than 50. so I am showing over here how the chart will be prepared. Our mu is 50, then x is 50.6 and 51.3. they are asking about the in between area, so you have to take the gap between the two. 0.3508 minus 0.1844, so the answer will be 0.1664. now sum number 7.14. a population is normally distributed with the mean of 23.45 and standard deviation of 3.8. what is the probability of each of the following? again you have to find the probabilities. taking a sample size of 10 and obtaining the sample mean of 22 or more, and second taking the sample size of the 4 and getting the sample mean of the more than 26. so sum number 7.14. mu equals to 23.45, standard deviation is 3.8. first question, n equals to 10, they are asking the probability to find the value of greater than 22. z equals to x bar minus mu upon standard deviation root n. right, so x bar is 22 minus 23.45, standard deviation is 3.8 upon root 10. so the answer will be minus 1.21. if you are checking out the table value for 1.21, you will get the probability of 0.3869. right, now let me show the normal distribution curve how it will be prepared. your mu is 23.45 and your x is 22. they are asking about the value more than 22, so you have to club the value of 0.3859 plus 0.5, so your answer will be 0.8869. now option B, in that n equals to 4. P of x bar greater than 26. Z equals to x bar minus mu upon standard deviation root n. x bar 26 minus 23.45, standard deviation is 3.8 upon root 4, right? So you will get the answer of 1.34. If you are checking out the table value for 1.34, the probability will be 0.4099. Now normal distribution curve, this is your mu, and that is 23.45, right? And x will be here, that is 26. They want this area, right? So you have to deduct 0.4099 from 0.5, 0.4099. So your answer will be 0.0901. Now sum number 7.15. Suppose a random sample of the size 36 is drawn from the population with the mean of 27%. If 86% of the time the sample mean is less than 280, what is the population standard deviation? So 7.15, n equals to 36. Then mu equals to 278. Then p of x bar less than 280 is 0.86, right? It is given in the sum. So now let's draw the chart first. This is your normal distribution curve. Mu equals to 278. Your x is 280. They are asking this area. If less than 280 area is total 0.86, total value 0.86 છે, રાઈટ? તો એમાંથી હું આટલો હાફ પોર્શન માઇનસ કરી નાખું 0.5નો, then I will get the answer of 0.36, right? Now ટેબલમાંથી તમારે એની રિવર્સ વેલ્યુ ચેક કરવાની છે, જે મેં તમને આગળ શીખવાડેલી છે. ટેબલ વેલ્યુ રિવર્સ જોતા તો 0.36 ને તમે રિવર્સ ચેક કરશો તો you will get the value of 1.08. Now z equals to x bar minus mu upon standard deviation root n. Z ની વેલ્યુ છે 1.08 equals to x bar છે 280 minus 278 upon standard deviation find કરવાનું છે, and root n તમારો છે 36. So 1.08. અહીંયા જે વસ્તુ ડિવિઝનમાં છે એને હું અહીંયા મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશનમાં લઈ લઉં છું. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ડેવિએશન અપોન 6 ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ ધીસ વેલ્યુ વિલ બી 2. સો સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ડેવિએશન વિલ બી 6 into 2, that is 12. Here 1.08 as it is. So finally standard deviation will be 12 divided by 1.08. So standard deviation answer will be 11.11. Now sum number 7.16. A random sample of the size 81 is drawn from the population with the standard deviation of the 12. If only 18% of the time a sample mean greater than 300 is obtained, right? मतलब greater than 300 હોય એના chances કેટલા છે? 18%. So P of x bar greater than 300 equals to 0.18. What is the value of the mean of the population? You have to search the value of the mu. 7.16 and equals to 81. Standard deviation is 12. P of x bar greater than 300 equals to 0.18. You have to search the value for the mu, right? 18% value greater છે, right? જસ્ટ 18% જ વેલ્યુ તમારા એક્સ કરતાં ગ્રેટર છે. ઇટ મીન્સ કે તમારો એક્સ કઈ સાઈડ હશે? રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ, કારણ કે ખાલી અને ખાલી 18% વેલ્યુ જ તમારા એક્સ કરતાં મોટી છે. સો 0.5માંથી એને ડિડક્ટ કરશો, સો યુ વિલ ગેટ ધ 0.32. 0.32ને તમારે રિવર્સ ચેક કરવાની છે અગેન. z ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ 92, રાઈટ? 92 તમને એ ટેબલમાંથી મળી જશે. સો z ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ એક્સ બાર માઇનસ મ્યુ અપોન સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ડેવિએશન રૂટ n. સો z ઇઝ 0.92 ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ 300 minus mu upon 1281. 0.92 into 12 upon 9, 300 minus mu. So it is 1.2267 equals to 300 minus mu. So mu will be 298.77. Now sum number 7.17. Find the probability in each of the case. Capital N equals to 1000, small n 60, mu equals to 75, standard deviation is 6. અહીંયા તમને કેપિટલ N પણ આપેલો છે. ઇટ મીન્સ કે આપણે સેકન્ડ ફોર્મ્યુલા અહીંયા યુઝ કરશું કે જેમાં કેપિટલ N નો પણ યુઝ થશે. P of x bar less than 76.5. 7.17 n equals to 1000, small n 60, mu equals to 75, standard deviation is 6. P of x bar less than 76.5. So formula will be x bar minus mu upon standard deviation upon root small n into under root capital N minus small n upon capital N minus 1. Now put one by one all the values. X bar 76.5, mu is 75, standard deviation is 6 upon 6060 into 1000 minus 60 upon 1000 minus 1. If you are solving out this total, then you will get the answer of 2. So now you have to go for the table number A.5 to get the probability for the 2. Right? 2 ની table value કઈ રીતે જોશો? 2.0 માં. 2 मतलब 2.0. So the probability will be 0.4772. Right? તમારે જે વસ્તુ જોઈએ છે, રાઈટ, એના માટે અગેન ચાર્ટ અહીંયા ડ્રો કરી લઈએ છીએ. હિયર ઇઝ યોર મ્યુ દેટ ઇઝ 75 અને તમારો x છે 76.5. You want this area, less area. So P of x bar less than 76.5 equals to 0.4772 plus 0.5. Answer will be 0.9772. Now second, n equals to 90, small n 36, mu 108, standard deviation 3.46. You have to find the values of in between the 107 and 107.7. See, I have mentioned all the things over here. So here you have to find the 2z, z1 and z2. So in first case, x bar is 107 minus 108 upon standard deviation is 3.46 upon root 36 into 90 minus 36 upon 90 minus 1. If you will solve this, you will get the value of minus 2.23. Then z2, x2 bar minus mu upon same formula. Again just one thing will be different, that is your x2 bar. Now it is 107.7. Right, rest of the things will be as it is. So you will get the answer of 0.67. So if you are checking out the probabilities from the table, then you will get the probability for the z1, that is 0.4871, and probability for the z2, that is 0.2486. So let me draw the normal distribution curve again. Your mu is 108 and both the values are less than 108, 107 and 107.7. So you want this area, so you have to deduct the values from each other, right? That is 0.4871 minus 0.2486. So your answer will be 0.2385. Now third n equals to 250, small n 100, 35.6, standard deviation 4.89. You have to find the value of greater than 36. See, I have mentioned all the things over here. X bar is 36 minus mu is 35.6 divided by 4.89 upon 100 into 250 minus 100, 250 minus 1. When you solve this, you will get the answer of 1.05, and then you will go to the table and check the probability for 1.05. You will get the answer of 0.3531. Then if you are going to draw the normal distribution curve, your mu is 35.6, your x is 36, and you want the greater area. So 0.5 minus 0.3531. So answer will be 0.1469. Then last, n equals to 5000, small n 60, mu equals to 125, standard deviation 13.4. You want the value less than 123. So here I have mentioned all the things, right? I have put the formula and mention all the values in the formula. So if you will solve this formula, you will get the answer of minus 1.16. So if you are going to the table and check the probability, your probability will be 0.3770, right? Now if you want the value for the લેસ એરિયા, રાઈટ, તમારો મ્યુ છે 125, તમારો એક્સ છે 123, તમારે એના કરતાં લેસ એરિયા જોઈએ છે. સો યુ હેવ ટુ ડિડક્ટ ફ્રોમ ધ 0.5, 0.3770. સો યોર આન્સર વિલ બી 0.1230.